Today I'm going to show you how to make gyoza. It's a great little food that you can bring to a party or have a light midweek meal. First we'll go to the ingredients. 4 ounces of chopped red cabbage, about 1.5 cups. 1 pound of ground pork or chicken. A 1-inch chunk of fresh ginger and 2 cloves of garlic. 4 green onions, finely chopped. You can finely chop your garlic and ginger, or you can grate it through a microplane, like I do. Microwave the cabbage for 2 minutes to soften it. Once the cabbage is cooled, we're going to add the pork, the cabbage, the green onion, the ginger, the garlic, and 2 teaspoons of tamari or soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of mirin, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Mix everything together until it's well combined. We've got our mixture. Now we're going to make the gyoza. I got these wrappers from the local Asian supermarket. There's 50 in a pack. They came in the freezer section, so I defrosted them. We're just going to cut this open and then start making our gyoza. Okay, so we take a wrapper. To make the wrapper stick, we'll need to put a little layer of moisture. So we've got a bowl of water here. We just do a circle all the way around. Good. We take a little bit of our mixture, not too much, just like that, a little ball, and then you fold it over. Now again, this takes a little bit of practice. The first one you do is a little difficult, so we just fold it over your thumb, and then move your thumb, fold it over your thumb, over and over again. Like I said, the first one's a little tricky, but after you've done 50, you'll be a master. You'll end up with something that looks a little like this. We're just putting it on a little bit of parchment paper so it doesn't stick. Our gyoza are folded. Now we'll make a dipping sauce. For our simple dipping sauce, we'll do 2 tablespoons of soy sauce or tamari, 1/2 tablespoon of honey, 1/2 tablespoon of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of mirin. We'll put it all in a bowl and mix it together. We're going to pan fry the gyoza. You'll find that a lot of recipes out there call for a non-stick frying pan. I'm just going to use my steel frying pan. I may lose the bottom of a couple of them, but I'd rather that than the chemicals. What we have in here is a tablespoon of avocado oil and just a teaspoon of sesame oil to give it a bit more flavor. Okay, our oil's nice and hot. We're going to put the gyoza in. We're going to fry their bottoms until they're a little brown, and then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of water and put a lid on to steam them to finish. The bottom's gone a little brown, so what we're going to do is add a 1/4 cup of water and put on a lid to steam them. Okay, once your water is evaporated, they'll be cooked, but we're going to just cook them for another minute or 2 until they get crispy on the bottom, and then eat. If any of your gyoza stick, just use a spatula to gently pry them free of the frying pan. Our gyoza are ready. Just dip them in the dipping sauce we made earlier and enjoy. Any leftovers that you didn't cook, you can freeze, and you can cook them frozen whenever you feel like them.